Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. This is our third strategy for today. So make sure you subscribe to our channels to watch all the strategies we drop today, 3rd of November 2025. The month is running to our hand again. The year is running to our hand again. And here we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 index, touch, no touch. And we're using the MACD indicator. So once you go to momentum, you will see MACD, you click on it, right there is going to show right below. So we're going to be placing one trade now. The red has to show up 3 times right under the line here. It's not above. So we click on touch. You can see that's 2 times. You have to wait for it to show 3 times. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you in a bit. That's one red, another red. That's another red. That's what we're waiting for there. 3 reds must show. Okay, so there's a trade ongoing there. We've already won that trade right here. We've already won that trade. So once you log into your trading account, go to Trader, Volatility 75 index, you click on it. The indicator, choose MACD. Go to trade type, touch, no touch. Here, set this to 4 minutes. Click on minutes. Barrier offset is plus 8.2131. I'm staking higher because this strategy is 100%. I've been testing it for a while. So remember, 3 reds. That's another 3 reds. 3 reds right under the line. As you can see, there's a line here. Sometimes the bars they're above the line. You can see we want that trade right there again. You can see the green is above the line. The 3 reds must be below the line. Must be right under the line, and it must show 3 times before you click on touch. You can see the 3 candles, the 3 red candles. It must be below the line. You can see it's right above the line now. Don't place any trade. It has to be right below the line. That's one red. It's green. That's one red. That's green again. You can see what we're watching, and it's below. That's one red. Green again. That's another red. That's another red. Green. You just want to wait for the red to be a little bit wide, just like this. So because this red was small, that's why I didn't go for that trade right there. Just want something like this. That's a thick one. You can see the red is right above it there. It has to be below the line. That's one red. That's another red. That's another red. You can see the spot right there where I click on touch. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. You can see we already won that trade right here. So make sure you watch carefully. I've been testing this for a while and it's 100% guaranteed. So for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're giving it away for free. As always, we're still giving it away. If you want this indicator, check the video description on YouTube. And for those who haven't purchased our bots, the Toss Keeper bot and the Pips Super bots, they're still active and effective. Check the video description on YouTube. You also get some gifts when you order any of our bots. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. So these are the links again. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the 2nd channel and this is the 3rd channel. Subscribe to all our channels. And to get the free indicator, follow these instructions. Send an email to this email address after signing up for a free trading account. Use the link above. For those who already have a trading account, use this link to order the indicator for $12. The links to order the Pips Super Bot and Toss Keeper Bot are right there. And the links to subscribe to our channels. There are other infos in the video description. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.